So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday, the 10th of May. Now let's just have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we did mention that we were in around that very strong level from the daily chart in around 1305. What we did see was a bullish bounce from the 1305 all the way up towards that level that we previously mentioned in around 1750, from which we did have a bit of a pullback here from that 1750. The 1750 is a well-established level, found resistance, found resistance, found resistance, and again we've come up there, found resistance. And yesterday we came up towards there again, and again we found resistance. So it's pretty clear that we do have some resistance in around that 1750. We're in a bit of a range band over the past couple of days or so on the XAUUSD. We do appear to be breaking down at present, so we did previously find some consolidation here. If we continue this breakdown in prices, we're looking for moves back down towards that 1307, possibly to a very strong major level on the daily chart in around 1305. If, however, we can find some support, possibly above the 1310, looking for a move back up beyond 1358, possibly to retest the 1750s. And if we do see finally the breakout to the upside, we'll be looking for a move up towards our 1320.25. But the breakout probably going to see a bit of volatility coming to the market. So beyond the 30.20.25, we're looking for moves up towards our 13.25, which we previously found resistance at, and beyond there 13.28 and 13.34.51. Those are the levels that we are looking at to the upside. And again, to the downside, if we do see a break of the lows in around 13.05, we're possibly looking at some moves down towards because where we are at present. Looking for moves down towards maybe a psychological level if we do break beyond 13.05 down towards our 1300. Successful break from which we'll be looking for a move down towards our 12.96. Don't anticipate prices moving beyond the 12.96 down towards our 12.88. Possibly a 12.96 being far in the range, but we would require quite a bit of volatility to break beyond the 13.05. Now, the reason I do believe that to be the case is because if we have a look here at the daily chart and we get the scaling on, I suppose we don't need to get scaling correct here. On this daily chart, we can see here we've found support in around 1305, and not only have we found support in around 1305 previously, but we do have daily confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. So if we do see a breakdown, again we're looking to see if we do see a bullish bounce at 1305, but if we do break beyond the 200 period moving average, also a move down to 1296 would seem likely after that. And with that said, yeah, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.